Right, guys, with MyFitnessPal, very basic overview of some of the key functions that I want you to focus on. The first thing I want you to do is make sure that you're setting, go to goals, make sure that your setting is weekly goal is set to maintain weight, okay? Because if you put it to any of these other goals that MyFitnessPal will set, it will actually distort the targets that I have set for you. So you want to put in your maintain current weight. That's the first thing I want you to do. So I want you to put in current weight and goal weight should be the exact same. There should be no difference. And then you're going to put in your maintain weight. Now, outside of that, this is how you would use the actual app itself. A lot of rubbish on the front side. You can ignore all that. You just need to go to diary. Now, when you start logging food on MyFitnessPal, it will actually save it automatically. So if you eat regularly the same things on a day-to-day basis, week-to-week basis, it's going to be very easy for you to do this after a couple of weeks. The first week or two might take a bit of time because everything's going to be new, but it's going to be a lot easier. So, for example, breakfast, if you're having breakfast, these are just certain foods that I have logged over the course of time. Again, for example, quick oats. Now, you can see here that serving size is a half a cup, which is the serving size. If you scan MyFitnessPal on a certain food, it will give you the serving size. Now, for example, one serving size, this was obviously when I was trying to increase weight, but for if you were just one serving size, you just click on one, click save, and it will put in 150 calories, which is basically what a portion of protein or oats is, and therefore it will be logged there straight away. So that is basically how you would do your diary, and you can fill in dinner, lunch, snacks and everything like that. Remember to be logging drinks as well if they have calories in them. So obviously water, you don't need to do it, but anything else you should be logging. Now, relation to macros, this is important. At the end of the day, at the end of the week, it will actually tell you. Now, this is for today. I've just put in a couple of things there. You can see if I click on macros here, it will give me an idea of what I've eaten. Now, I will have sent you a target for calories and protein are the two key ones. And you will have suggested targets for carbs and fats. They are really down to you. The key one that I want you to hit is your protein target and also your total calorie target. The carbs and fats you can put in yourself. So that is really it, guys. Like, the thing about it is just have a play around with it. It will take a bit of time to scan, if you're brand new to it, to scan your foods. But again, all the scanners will show up, so you don't even have to input anything. You just need to work out the portion size. And as I said, the most important thing really is to make sure it's on maintain weight. Okay, so that's just some of the basics for MyFitnessPal.